Well, today we have here what is this device to which we are going to be able to recover it. Since this device has a screen lock, it also has the forgotten Gmail account. What are we going to do on this device? We are going to recover it. But this video tutorial is not going to be without a PC. It is going to be a method totally without a PC. What are we going to do? Well, what we are going to do is watch the video tutorial step by step so that you cannot miss any of these details and you can solve what this elimination and recovery of your device is. First of all, before starting this process, we are going to have to be connected to a Wi-Fi network to be able to do the process. We are going to connect to a network. After we connect to a network, we are going to do the following. We are going to use a totally different method, than the previous one. After we connect to the Wi-Fi network, we are going to give it the next one. We are going to show you where our network is. Our device that is totally blocked since it has a screen lock. Also, finally, it has the forgotten Gmail account. We also want to tell you that we have other methods altogether. Different method both by PC, method without PC. We will leave it in the description of the video and in the first pinned comment so that you can solve and recover your device. You know the method by PC and without PC in the description of the video. We will continue to give you what that tour is so you can see. We also have several methods in a single video. We have 3 methods without PS. That method we will also leave it in the description of the video in the first pinned comment. We will leave all that solution. You always what I do is recommend watching the video step by step so that you cannot miss any of these details, because we always see that there are people who always write to us that the video tutorial did not work for them. Sometimes that usually happens because what we do is fast forward the video and we do not see it step by step. We are going to click here where it says do not copy. We click where it says do not copy and it would take us here to this section. We click here where it says use Google account. That is why it is always recommended when we create a Google account. Cannot happen. These problems. As we can see, if we would have written down both the email and the password, this would not have happened. Another solution is that when we create a Google account, it is advisable to add a phone number. Also adding what is an alternative email. If we add an alternate email active we will have a chance. If we lose the phone number, the password, we will be able to recover it with an alternative email without having to enter the password. That said, what we are going to do to be able to recover our device, we are going to go back down. I say back. Then we are going to go down here and we are going to select this option that says policy. Then it would take us here, still Google Chrome. We are going to go where it says use without a Google account. We click where it says no thanks, and here we are going to write an official page, which is called Davidsoul. We are going to click on it here. We are going to be able to find it, go right exactly as it appears here, and you are going to find the page. You are going to see Android TV, or it may come up here from IB, either of the two options. You are going to select, you are going to click here. Here you are going to be able to find other totally different methods. You are going to go to the last options here. You are going to be able to find this entry that says here Davicel apps. You are going to select that option. Then you are going to see several methods also here different to be able to recover your device. We have other methods. Here you are going to be able to find it. What are we going to do here? Well, Let's do the following. Let's select this option that says for web store. Let's click on it and it seems that this option is no longer working. It's no longer working. Let's select then Google Maps. We select Google Maps, we click here on skip. We click on the ball, we click here on settings, we go to here where it says location. Configuration, we click here on it says all here we are going to click on show system. Here the Google Play services will appear. But it seems that it is no longer being disabled. Google Play services. Well, if we see that it no longer allows us to disable these Google Play services, then what we are going to do is go back. We go back in here, then we are going to select settings. We are going to see if it still takes us to settings. And we can see that it still does not allow us to carry out settings. If we see that settings are not working either. So what we are going to do is click on these three dots that appear here. Then we are going to select this help option. We select help here, we are going to write apps. And this option will appear here with this magnifying glass that says delete or disable app. We are going to click here, it says Android. Then we are going to look and we are going to select the option that says delete apps here. Or delete applications. We are going to click on it and then we are going to click here, where the number 1 is with the blue letters. We are going to select those blue letters, then what we are going to do is the following. We are going to look for settings. We are going to look here for configuration, settings, we are going to click on open. Being here we are going to go to the last options and we are going to look for special functions. Here we are going to enable Google services, we are going to select Google services. Being here that we have said accessibility sorry. Being here that we enable accessibility, we are going to search. We are going to go down here and we are going to look here for apps. List of applications, we are going to select here. Then that we are here, we are going to see the services. From Google here it is disabled. We are going to disable those Google services, we disable that application. Now what we are going to do is restart our phone. We restart our phone, when our phone restarts completely. We are going to complete the recovery process. That is why it is always advisable to watch the video tutorial, step by step so that you do not miss any details. And can solve this problem. Let's see. Let's wait for our device to restart. If we see that our device lets us enter from nowhere, then we have to apply a second method, but let's wait. Let's wait how we recover our device. Since we have restarted it, we are going to give it again here. We are going to go until the option to search for updates appears here. When we get the option for a moment searching for updates here, we are going to return. Well, from here we are going to enter exactly from here, we are not going to go back anywhere. We are only going to enter directly from point we are going. To wait until the option we are looking for appears. Here it also has to give us the option where it says do not copy. From there when we get that option not to copy would take us to the next section. This is the option we were waiting for. We are going to click here where it says do not copy. Now the option will flash here, good. Or that is the one we were waiting for. We are going to click here in Google Assistant, we select Google, from Google. This is going to be fast because sometimes it takes a long time and it goes away quickly. So that is why we have to do it quickly. We click on it and in the green letters, ready here use 50. Now this usually takes a few seconds and then sometimes it may. Take a minute, but you are going to wait until it takes you to the Google Assistant. Let's see if it doesn't take so long. When it takes us to the Google Assistant, we are going to wait. If it lets us deactivate Google services from here. Here it is. Let's see. We click here, we click on the ball. Then we are going to click yes, here help. We click on these 3 dots, we click here to open in the browser. Then we are going to click here, we are going to click here to share. We are going to select Gmail, we click here. We click here on disable, if it let us disable Google services. We enable Google services, it is already enabled, we are going to go back into C. Yes, it is already enabled, we go back gently, gently back, gently. Slowly we go back, we are going to wait for it to load. Here it takes us to Google services, we will see if it lets us. It lets us recover our phone. There are some devices that usually sometimes it returns us to the beginning. We are going to click here, we are going to do the recovery process. We click on skip, we click on skip. We are going to click here, go, let's see if from here it lets us. It lets us recover our device, and as we can see, it took us directly to the beginning. Whether it did let us recover our device. If we say that this method did not work for you, in the description of the video and in the first comment we are going to use a different method.